Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this absolutely gorgeous 5-piece kitchen knife set from Paudin. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife set from Paudin and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife set. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Paudin for sending me this knife set to review. Let's get started. These blades are going to be absolutely perfect for slicing and cutting, 2 millimeters thick, and a really nice 15-degree angle, very common in Japanese knives. Steel type being used up front is a very popular German steel, 4116. It's made of about 15% chromium, so you're going to get really good corrosion resistance. And with just the right amount of carbon, you're going to get good hardness, so your edge retention is going to be very good, but yet still be very easy to sharpen and maintain. These knives feature a beautiful satin finish, a really big finger guard, so when you creep up close here, your fingers are protected from slipping onto the edge. And it also serves as a sharpening choil, so you have an easier time sharpening the entirety of the edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. These knives feature a full tang design, meaning that the steel runs all the way through the handle for maximum strength, held into place by 3 rivets that go through the handle. Little bit of a curvature here and under here, and little bit of a palm swell this way. Definitely going to be great for people with smaller hands, very easy to grip onto and comfortable. Handle material being used is ABS polymer, the same stuff you find in medical supplies and safety gear, so these handles are going to be incredibly durable and easy to maintain. And now it's time to see how these knives perform. Let's start off with the 3.5-inch paring knife. Alright guys, got some newspaper here. Let's test out the edge on the 3.5-inch paring knife. Just going to do some nice light cuts. Heel to toe, very nice. No toothiness. Whew. Guys, that is sharp. Alright guys, here we go. 5-inch utility knife back over to the newspaper again. Just some nice easy cuts from heel to toe. So smooth. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's no toothiness there. One more. Can we get one more? Do that all day. Razor sharp on the 5-inch utility knife. Alright guys, over to the 8-inch carving knife. Let's test out the edge on this guy. Oh man. Guys, that is so fun to do. Sharp. And let's see how the edge on the 8-inch chef knife does. Oh man. So sharp, guys. It just slides straight through. Again, absolutely razor sharp. Alright guys, here we go. 3.5-inch paring knife. Let's break down this apple. Yeah, so far so good. One more side. Alright. Get the core out of the way. Let's do some slices for you here. Really thin. Ooh, can I get one more? Let's get greedy. Yeah. There you go. All right, there's that. Let's get you guys a different angle. Let's go from the front here. Just sliding right through. Can we go across? Let's go across. Yep. One more. One more. There you go, guys. All right, guys, here is my leftover prime rib from Thanksgiving. We're going to be using the 8-inch carving knife. Let's see how it does. Let's cut off a nice thick piece here. Almost got my fingernail there. All right. There's a nice piece to reheat and devour. That is the 8-inch carving knife. Now, because we've got this beautiful slab of meat here, let's bring in the 5-inch utility knife. And a lot of people don't realize that this makes an excellent steak knife. I mean, it's just going to cut straight through it. Get that out of the way for you guys so you can see that there. Just straight through it. Let's see here. Oh man, guys. Here you go. 5-inch utility knife. All right, tomatoes are always fun. Let's get the 8-inch chef knife in here and do some slicing. Roll this guy up like that. Just cut a nice little chunk off. All right. Send it back down. Let's see if we can get some bite just by coming over the top like this. Oh, yes. Not bad there. All right, let's just come down right down the middle for you guys here. All right, let's try this angle coming right at you. Let's see how thin we can get. Not bad. Getting close to the end here. All right, I'm going to stop right there before I slice my fingers out, but there you go. 8-inch chef knife. All right, guys, we've got this beautiful Italian penne here. We're going to be testing out the 8-inch bread knife, and we're going to attack the softest part of the loaf here. Again, the goal of a bread knife is not to squash the bread. We're just going to float it right on top here and let the teeth do the work. There we go. Not squashed at all. Perfectly cut. And let's give you guys one more angle right here. Just gently pushing down on here. You can see again, we're not squashing the bread down like that. Knife is doing a great job. All right, that is the 8-inch bread knife. Once again, guys, this 5-piece kitchen knife set is from Paudin. Incredibly affordable. They come out of the box razor sharp, easy to maintain. If you're looking for a great entry-level kitchen knife set, this could be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife set from Paudin, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.